Okay, can I please have your full name?
Actually, my name is Heejun Woo.
Okay, nice to meet you, Heejun.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, let's start off. What is your favorite electronic or appliance at home?
Actually, I have a lot of the favorite electronic tools, but one of the thing is the best one thing is actually mobile phone. Yeah, so because I have to chat with my family and a friend, and I have to check my schedule on the calendar. Yeah, that's why my favorite electronic stuff is mobile phone at home.
Okay. Do you think washing machines and vacuum cleaners are important?
Uh, yeah, actually, I think washing machine is a very important thing at the house which has the little baby like me, but unfortunately don't have it. So, but vacuum is the very important thing because on the ground some the dusty and then some little trashy. My son can try to put in the mouth his mouth. That's why the vacuum is a very important machine in my house.
I see. When you use electronics or appliances, do you normally read the instructions before using them?
No, actually I haven't read the instruction before I use it.
Do you think it's important to read the instructions?
Actually, I know is a very important thing for reading before using that, but I don't know. Is my the personal habit, something like that. That's why I have never tried to do that. So my wife always say, "Hey, please read it."
See. Switching topics a little bit, talking about small businesses. Do you know any small businesses around where you live?
Oh, small business? I don't know. So if you give me some examples, I can.
Like a mom and dad kind of shop, a small restaurant, or single owner kind of shop?
Yes. Then actually, one of my best friend has own business, which is a tonkatsu restaurant. So it's very nearby my house. It's in the around my neighborhood. So I I visit there the 3 times in a month. Yeah. So he always say, "Hey, bro, I have to earn a lot of money, but still like that. So that I have to give some advice after I eat his food." Yes, so it's a very small business for him.
Okay. Do you prefer buying things from big companies or from small businesses?
Oh, it's actually I prefer to buy things in the big company because uh, it's a very important thing when I buy something about the guarantee something then after service. So if I buy this pencil, but is something is broken in there. But the small company, if I buy this one at the small company, but I please change this one because I never use this one, but it's broken. But they say sorry, we don't have about the service. But the big company usually has the service for the customers. So that's why I prefer to buy something at the big company.
I see. Have you ever worked in a small business?
Yes, actually, I did it maybe 20 years ago, something like that. Yeah, so, but at the moment, I never how can I say, I never, the boss didn't give the salary the one time. So, yeah.
That's not too good, is it? Changing topics again, from work to spare time.
Okay.
Do you often have free time?
Not often. maybe 1 or 2 days in a month because as I told you, I have the little baby and then wife. That's why I cannot I cannot spend my own time not much.
I see. Okay, that's part one. Part two, I'm going to give you a minute to quickly prepare for that. Our question is, describe something you do to keep fit and healthy.
Okay.
Okay, so you can start. When you're ready, you can start.
Yeah, actually, uh, I think the keep fit and healthy about the working out and then eating the healthy food such as blueberry yogurt or something like that. So every morning I try to eat a glass of water before I eat another things. So because it's a very important thing for in my stomach. So and then I just eat the healthy food such as vegetable and Greek yogurt, something with the light food. So and then after eating, I try to run at the outside, maybe around 3 kilometers, because it's very important for the keep fit and healthy. So why uh, why this is a very important thing to keep and healthy? Because I got married 3 years ago. So actually I don't know. I think I got married with the old age, so I'm already over 40. So I have to keep the stamina and then charging stamina because I have to grow up my son and then I have to take care of my wife. So I have to, if I lose my stamina, I cannot work at the outside. So then that's why it's a very important thing. And
It's okay, we're over 2 minutes.
okay,
so
okay.
Good stuff. Okay, moving on to part three. Do you think schools should provide physical education to students?
Sorry?
Do you think schools should provide physical education to students?
Yes, I agree to take a physical class for the student because if the student only take classes at the inside, like math, English, and Korean, something like that, they want to be the happy people. So it means that they are students and children. That's why they have to hang out with their friends, each other at the outside, like play a baseball game or football game, or the girls are doing something what they can do that. So and outside give some very good benefit like weather and then fresh air to them. Then if they get something like that, they will be more healthy and then take a good mind.
How can we use technology to keep fit?
Technology, I beg your pardon?
Yeah, how can we use technology like a fitness device or apps, those sort of things?
Me?
Or just in general, how can people use that?
Actually, I have never used about that, but many people use like Apple Watches and then something that only the headset for only jogging. So, yeah, so when I jog, so I can see the jogging people taking the electronic something like a jogging only for the jogging the headset. Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it's good for government to use celebrities to help build awareness about health and fitness?
I don't think so. I disagree about the sentence because if the government can help some of the people about the fit and the healthy, they have to support to some more the money to the citizen who can on the under 50% or something like that, like like me. Yeah, but so even I cannot try to apply the fitness center or something like that because I have to very consider to execute that.
Okay. How can parents help their children be fit and healthy?
Children fit and healthy.
How can parents help them to be fit and healthy?
Parents.
Parents helping children.
So actually, in my case, it's the best to important thing for no watching electronic screen for children, because if children start to watch the any screen something with the mobile phone, they only find that all electronic things. So I have never him to watch the screen. So I just hang out with my son at outside and then throw the ball, the kick and the ball, something like that. Yeah, it's a very important thing.
Okay. Last question. What do people normally do to keep fit and healthy in Korea?
In Korea, actually, is a very, very horrible things on a diet. I don't eat anything in a day,
Oh, okay.
in 2 days. But because, yeah, I think many girls, even my younger sister, try to go on a diet like no eating in a day.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a very. I think I would just say that don't be silly. Yeah, but many girls try to do a diet like that.
Okay. So let's quickly get into the scoring
Okay.
and the grading. So the notes that I could make here, some of the issues that you can fix if you want to improve your score, some grammar issues. A few of the ones that I noticed, a lot of the favorite, some of the dusty, some of the trashy, like using the wrong form of the verbs. Like that is something one can fix. There were some occasions where I didn't fully understand what you were trying to say, especially in the one part 3 question about governments using celebrities to promote. I think you said you have to very considering about the 50% or something along those lines. I wasn't able to quite follow you there. So I think we can also work on like sentence structure, like how to build a sentence. That is something we can improve on. Also using the in the wrong places. Like I think in certain languages like French or German, probably in Korean as well, you usually use the and then the noun, but in English we don't use the unless it's a very specific thing.
Okay.
So for example, if you talk about the bridge, that's fine. But if you were to use maybe like Brooklyn Bridge, that's a famous bridge, so you don't always have to use the.
Okay.
Okay. Then a few times there were some pauses, pausing,
Posing. Yeah.
like kind of the answer, you're talking, then stopping for a while, and then continuing. It depends a lot on the strictness of the examiner. Some examiners focus on grammar, some of them focus on fluency. So the pauses and the grammar mistakes can potentially keep your score a bit down.
Okay.
The positives, I would say you were able to give long answers. For example, your part 2 question, I had to stop you. So you didn't have any issues with the time there.
Okay.
Oftentimes, if students cannot, if they only speak for a minute, for example, some of the examiners just cut them right there. They don't ask any more questions to fill up the 2 minutes. They tend to give them a poorer grade when that happens. So in that case, that was a positive for you. I think overall, looking at your vocab, some higher level words could help you improve your score as well. In terms of that, maybe using some English expressions or idioms, perhaps. I pointed out the grammar things that we can work on. Pronunciation and all that, most of the time I was able to follow you, understand what you're saying. It didn't really harm the communication. It's just with the fluency, some of the pauses, and also some of the times I wasn't quite sure what you were saying. Again, it depends on strictness. So I think if we had a very strict examiner, they would give you a 5.5 as well for that. Perhaps in some cases a 6 if the examiner chooses to focus on something else. But yeah, I would say your score range is somewhere between 5.5 and 6. So yeah, any questions from your side?
No, I think I'm still, because it has been a while since I talked to with a native speaker, so but it's okay.
Understandable. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much too.